Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. Today our first online lecture of subject Biology class 9 Federal Board. Today our topic of discussion is division and branches of biology. Today our learning objectives are number 1. At the end of the topic, the students are able to define biology and also able to describe different branches of biology. Dear student, before starting the branches of biology, first of all, we should know the meaning of the word biology. Basically, the word biology has been derived from two Greek words, bios meaning life and logos meaning study, thoughts or reasoning. So, biology is the study of life or living organism. Now, the major division of biology are there are three major division of biology. Number one is botany, in which we study about the plants. Second one is zoology, in which study of the animals. And third one is microbiology, the study of microorganism. Now, the branches of biology are the first one, morphology. It is the study of form and structures of living organism. Dear student, in this diagram, we easily see that the external structure of brassica flower. Now the next branch is the anatomy. It is the study of internal structure of living organism. In this diagram, we easily see that the internal parts of the human heart. Now the third branch of biology is the histology or histology. Histology is the microscopic study of tissues. Now what are tissues? A group of cells that work together to perform a function. Dear student, the next branch of biology is cell biology or cytology. Cytology is the study of the structure and function of a cell and its internal parts and also deals with the cell division. In this diagram, we easily see that the external and the internal structure of the cell. Now the next branch is physiology or physiology. Physiology is a branch of biology in which we study about the function of different parts of the living organism. In this diagram, we easily see that how our lungs work. The next one is genetics. It is the study of genes and their role in inheritance. Genes are located on the chromosome, and in this diagram we easily see that how the genes are transmitted from one generation to another generation. The next branch is the embryology or developmental biology. It is the study of development of an embryo to a new individual. In this diagram we easily see that how the organism are produced, complete organism are produced uh, by embryo. The next branch is the taxonomy or taxonomy. It is a branch of biology in which we study about the naming and classification of living organism into groups and subgroups. In this diagram, we easily see that the taxonomic hierarchy or taxonomic classification in which the biggest one is the kingdom, then phylum, then class, then order, the family, then genus and species. The next branch is the paleontology. Paleontology basically it is the study of the fossils. What are fossils? Fossils are the remains of the animals or the plant that live in the remote past time. The next branch is the ecology or environmental biology. Ecology is the study of relationship between organism and their environment. The next branch is the parasitology. Parasitology is the study of the parasites. Now, what are parasites? Parasites are a group of living organisms that depend on other living organisms for their food and shelter. The next branch is the biotechnology. Dear student, biotechnology is the most advanced branch of biology that deals with the practical application of living organisms to make substances for the welfare of mankind. The next one is the immunology. It is a study of the immune system of the animal, and we know that our immune system is a system that defends our body from invaders or from microscopic organisms that are harmful for us. The next branch is the entomology. It is the study of the insects. The next one is the pharmacology. Pharmacology is a branch of biology that deals with the study of the drugs and their effects on the system of the human body. Dear student, here I attach a worksheet number 1 in which you do the matching of the column A with the B. Thank you.